Kevin Runlet with Runlet Law Firm here, talking about 18-wheeler cases, big truck cases, common carrier accidents that happen on the roadways in Mississippi, and how we can help you and things that you should think about if this happens to you or a loved one. Today we're going to talk about who can be held liable in a big truck case. Well, there's several entities depending on the facts that can be held liable. First, the trucking company. That's the main person we want to, or entity that we want to look at for liability. They almost always have insurance coverage. Sometimes we have to dig for it, but they have it. Another entity that is potentially at fault is the truck driver themselves, which we don't typically like to go after, but if they are negligent and they were doing something that was just wrong, then we certainly will do that. It could be that the truck driver is a true independent contractor and they have an insurance policy on their truck. Certainly we would go after that policy. Maybe the truck manufacturer, maybe there was a defect with the truck that caused a problem. They could be potentially at fault. What about the cargo loading company? These trucks are traveling from point A to point B, picking up a load and then taking that load from point B to point C, wherever that is. Someone or some business or some company is responsible for helping get that truck loaded with the particular cargo that they're carrying. So there may be some problems that occurred there. Maybe they loaded too heavy, maybe they loaded it improperly, and it caused an accident during transport. Another entity that could be in place is the injured person's underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. We don't want to have to go there, but if we have to, we will. So if the trucking company or the truck driver did not have coverage, or their coverage had lapsed and there's just nothing we could do to access that, then we can look into your policies and see if you had enough policies to help cover, or underinsured motorist coverage to help cover the claim. So that's just an idea of the entities that could be involved with the litigation with a truck accident. If you like these videos, hit subscribe, like us, give us some comments. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.